Hello everybody, so as you've seen by the title, I am unboxing a Radioshack 12-96 that came from my brother, Metrobolt49, who's in here. Hello. Anyway, yeah, I guess we can start the unboxing. Come on. Whatever. Whoa, my favorite thing, brown plastic bags. Another brown plastic bag. Bubble wrap. Tons of bubble wrap. Why the heck is it like that? There it is. The radio. This looks literally like brand new. Wow. And then oh my god. And then in here we have more bubble wrap. And the adapter. Okay, so yeah, the radio looks literally brand new. Except for this stuff on the bottom, whatever. And some other things like stuff on the screen. Anyway, yeah. I guess I'll plug this in. Plugging it in 3, 2, 1. There we go. The radio is now on. Let's set the channel.
Wednesday night, mostly clear.
I don't know why it's making a helicopter noise.
Thursday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of rain in the afternoon. Highs around 50. Chance of rain 20%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy.
That is a weird noise it's making, but that's whatever. Let's go to alert mode, voice. Alert volume 2. Wow. And then alert type, warning option, custom. Are you joking? They had everything off. Are you serious? I'm pretty sure you have run this before me. Just wait. Tornado watch. Okay, so there's tornado watch. That's the only one that's on. Wow, I'm pretty sure all they used this for before they sold it was an FM radio, because all of the alerts are off except for a tornado watch. Turn these on. This is gonna take a while. Oops. Oh my god. Blizzard. Oh my god. Why is the 96 screen so crappy? Oh my freaking gosh, this is gonna take so long. Flood watch, flood statement, flood warning, fire warning. Oh my gosh, I did not mean to freaking do that. This is gonna take forever. Flash freeze warning, hurricane statement, hurricane watch, high wind warning, iceberg warning, national audible test, national information something, national network notification, network notification, national periodic test, national silent test, power outage advisory, required, oh my god. Let's go to required monthly test. Oh my freaking gosh, I did not mean to do that. Required monthly test. Oh my god. Radioshack, why did you build the touchscreen like this? Required weekly test, required monthly test. Special marine warning, special weather statement. Severe thunderstorm warning or watch, I don't know. Severe weather statement. 911 telephone outage emergency. Tropical storm watch or warning. Transmitter backup. Transmitter carrier. Transmitter carrier. Transmitter primary. Wildfire watch. Winter storm watch. Winter storm warning. Unrecognized watch. Unrecognized emergency. And unrecognized statement. So there we go. Now all of those are on. Signal reminder, no. Alert reminder, no. Location, Cali, Kansas. Delete, no. Oh my god, just let me delete these. Delete. No. Oh my freaking gosh. Delete. There we go. And then add all. So there's that.
With the transition to light snow.
Oh, it doesn't want to be a helicopter anymore. That's strange.
However, any potential snow accumulation looks to be light at this time. A shot of chilly Arctic air looks to arrive this weekend.
Nope, never mind, it's moving back.
Temperatures only in the 20s and 30s and lows and teens. Wind chill values may dip near or into the single digits during the overnight hours Friday night and Saturday night. Now,
so yeah, there it is. The unboxing and setup of the Radioshack 12-996. Thank you guys for watching, and what is Twitter doing? Oh, that's the weather app. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you MetroBolt49 if you're watching this for buying this Radioshack 12-996 for me. So yeah, there's that, and my brother's channel will be in the description. Yeah, goodbye guys.